Did you create an MT5 Expert Advisor and want to share it with someone, but you don't want them to see or copy your code? If you share the wrong file, your source code will be exposed forever. When you create an Expert Advisor in MT5, two files are created. For example, the first one is MQ5. This is your source code. Anyone can open it and read it. Let's open this file in Notepad and see what it has. We can read this file, what its contents has. The second one is EX5. This is the compiled file. It runs the bot, but the code is hidden. Let's open this file in the Notepad and see, is it readable? No, it's not readable. It's the binary file and it's the encrypted file which is executable. Never ever share the MQ5 file. Only share the EX5 file. Let me show you how to do this safely. Open MetaTrader 5, click File and open Data folder. Open MQL5 folder. Open Expert folder. Find your EX5 file. Let's say, for example, you have created your bot in the Advisors folder. For example, your bot named as Expert MACD. EX5 file for this bot is EX5. Copy only the EX5 file. Now paste this EX5 file into another MetaTrader installation inside the same Expert Advisors Experts folder. Restart MetaTrader, attach the EA to the chart. If it runs, your sharing is done correctly. EX5 protects your code logic, but it does not protect your business idea. So always be careful who you share your EA with. If you want more MT5 tutorials and clear explanations, subscribe. I have linked another video about EX5 myths and protection.